They go to the extent of saying that they were not given the authority by Jesus nor the scriptures. They did it solely because they're the church and they have all the authority. And then they go on and say that any Protestant who keeps the Sunday Sabbath